Welcome to the top best. The best small unicorn is probably one of the most enchanting and whimsical additions you can make to your collection, offering a touch of magic and wonder that's sure to spark joy and imagination in people of all ages. Whether you're a seasoned collector of mythical creatures or simply looking for a delightful decorative piece, this charming figurine brings a unique blend of fantasy and artistry right into your home, making it a standout item that promises to capture attention and inspire smiles with its intricate details and captivating presence. Number 5. Memory Building Co. Unicorn Musical Jewelry Box. Open up a world of enchantment with this classic ballerina jewelry box. Its high-quality music mechanism plays a timeless waltz melody, perfect for any child who loves classical tunes. A beautiful unicorn figurine is securely attached and spins gracefully to the music. This durable music box is built to withstand enthusiastic play for years to come. Looking for a memorable gift? This enchanting musical box is ideal for children ages 6 to 12, making it a wonderful surprise for birthdays or holidays. This organizer is perfectly sized to hold all your little one's treasures. It features ample space with compartments for rings, earrings, necklaces, and other small keepsakes. Crafted from sturdy, child-safe MDF wood with a glossy finish, this jewelry case offers superior durability. It's a lasting alternative to flimsy cardboard boxes. The precision-crafted steel mechanism is easy for small fingers to wind up. Enjoy dependable, battery-free operation that brings timeless charm every time it's used. It arrives beautifully presented in premium packaging, thoughtfully protected. This ensures it reaches its destination looking its best, ready for any special occasion. What we like? This musical jewelry box plays a classic waltz melody with a spinning unicorn. Its sturdy wooden construction is built to last. If you are looking for a gift that combines music and a treasured keepsake for a child who loves classical tunes and unicorns, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The unicorn is very soft and cuddly. It is a good size for a toddler to hug. The details on the unicorn are beautiful, especially the sparkly horn and wings. Number 4. Bearington Rainbow Shimmers Unicorn Stuffed Animal. Say hello to Lil Rainbow Shimmers, a charming 10-inch unicorn stuffed animal. With vibrant hues, she's a delightful white rainbow unicorn that captures the imagination. She's fluffy, cuddly, and quite adorable, made from premium plush material for utmost softness. Her soft fur and excellent craftsmanship offer endless enchanting cuddles. This unicorn stuffed animal is more than a toy, it's a precious keepsake and an adorable childhood companion. It's an ideal gift sure to be cherished for years. Bearington is synonymous with global excellence in plush toys, celebrated for opulent fabrics and unparalleled craftsmanship. Our creations embody custom luxury and utmost quality. With a legacy spanning 25 years, Bearington crafts award-winning stuffed toys for every age. Our creations bring joy and comfort, from teddy bears to unique animal plushies. What we like? This unicorn stuffed animal is incredibly fluffy and cuddly with soft plush fur and charming rainbow accents. It's made with award-winning quality for durability and comfort. If you're seeking an adorable, huggable companion for a toddler or child that promises endless magical adventures and comfort, this plush is perfect. What people say. The unicorn is very soft and cuddly, perfect for snuggling. It's a good size for a toddler, not too big or too small. The details on the unicorn are beautiful, especially the sparkly horn and wings. Number 3. Aurora Vibrant Bright Fancies Jellyroll Unicorn. Introducing the Aurora Vibrant Bright Fancies Jellyroll Unicorn, a magical plush friend. It's designed to bring joy and enchantment to playtime. Crafted from deluxe materials, this stuffed animal offers a cloud-like softness perfect for delightful cuddles. It's incredibly gentle to the touch. Its vibrant design makes this plush truly unique and eye-catching. The multicolored appearance is sure to spark imagination. Collect all the fantasy creatures and animals in this line. They are designed to ignite creativity and imaginative play. For stability and quality, this plush contains bean pellets. It is a safe and wonderful companion for children of all ages. Measuring approximately 10 by 8 by 5 inches, it's the ideal size for both play and display. It's ready for adventure. What we like? This plush unicorn features a vibrant, eye-catching design and is made from deluxe, cloud-like soft materials. It's filled with beam pellets for stability, making it suitable for all ages. If you want a uniquely colorful and exceptionally soft unicorn plush that's perfect for delightful cuddles, this one stands out. What people say. The unicorn is very soft and cuddly. It is a good size for a toddler to hug. The details on the unicorn are very cute, especially the sparkly horn. Number 2. Breyer Unicorn Magic Wood Carry Stable 59218. Introducing the Unicorn Magic Wooden Carry Stable, a magical playset for young imaginations. It's designed for easy carrying by little hands, making it a perfect take-along toy. This enchanting set comes complete with 6 stablemates unicorns, ready for adventure. Your child can create their own magical stories with these beautiful figures. The sturdy wooden carry case makes it incredibly easy to bring the magic anywhere. It's ideal for travel or simply playing in a different room. The unicorns are part of the stablemates collection, featured in a 1/32 scale. This allows for detailed and realistic play scenarios. Crafted for durability and portability, this wooden stable ensures hours of imaginative fun. It's a wonderful gift that encourages creative play. Let your child's imagination soar with this delightful unicorn stable. They can create endless adventures and stories with their new unicorn friends. What we like. This set comes with a convenient wooden carry stable and includes 6 1/32 scale unicorn figures. The stable is designed to be easy for small hands to carry, making it a perfect take-along toy. If you're looking for a portable playset that encourages imaginative play with multiple unicorns, this is an excellent option for on-the-go fun. What people say. The unicorn is very soft and cuddly, perfect for snuggling. It's a great size for a toddler, easy for them to hold and carry around. The details on the unicorn are beautiful, especially the sparkly horn and rainbow mane. Number 1. Unicorn Hatching Rainbow Eggs Craft Kits. Discover the magic of these hatching rainbow eggs. Each egg holds a surprise unicorn, ready to be revealed with a little care. Get ready for a magical transformation. Add water and witness an incredible transformation. Your unicorn will grow up to 6 times its original size over a few days. Experience the wonder of its evolution. Enjoy the excitement of a blind box with 6 unique unicorns to discover. Open 1 egg each day and see which magical creature you'll find. The magic holds the secret. These toys are made from non-toxic, child-safe materials, meeting all international safety standards. You can relax knowing they are enjoying safe and high-quality fun. An ideal gift for any occasion, bringing smiles to children of all ages. They are perfect for holidays, Easter basket stuffers, or a special classroom surprise. These craft kits encourage creativity and imaginative play. Let the adventure begin as they hatch and grow their own magical unicorn companions. What we like. These unicorn toys come in hatching rainbow eggs, offering a magical transformation as they grow when you add water. Each egg is a blind box surprise with a different unicorn inside. If you want a fun, interactive craft activity that provides a daily surprise and a sense of wonder for kids aged 3 to 8, these hatching eggs are a fantastic choice. What people say. The unicorn is very soft and cuddly, perfect for snuggling. It's a good size for a toddler, not too big or too small. The details on the unicorn are beautiful, especially the sparkly horn and wings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.